Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the long range weather forecast discussion. This is for the period March 12th to the 26th, and I'm James Munley. We're going to look at the period for March 12th to the 16th. And this is what we have here. We have a trough that sinks south into the upper Mississippi Valley, the Great Lakes region, with the ridge on East Coast. Um, so this trough will move eastward with time, and I'll show you that in a minute. But in the meantime, uh, we will have a strong cold front that will move through the east on Thursday. As a deepening low will go to the surface, lifts through the Great Lakes. So here's our low. Here's Thursday, Friday. Here's our strong low. It'll drive a front through, and that river event will continue across the region here. You can see we have heavy precipitation across the northwest. Then we have a clipper system that will move across the northern states, and that'll bring some high winds to the Rockies and the Plains into the weekend. So that's the system right here that we're looking at, okay? And then we'll have that ridge in the southwest that'll cause uh, well, that'll cause temperatures to be well above normal. Okay. Now we're going to get to severe weather. We currently have severe weather, and we're going to look at that in a second. We'll go and look at that. I hope we don't have the same problems before where it doesn't load and it freezes. You just bear with me a second. Okay, so we see we have a tornado warning in effect for Louisiana, and we'll go to that right now. And we'll start the polling. And this is all due to a weather system that I'm going to show you here on the surface maps. All right, and I'll show you what's going on right here. Okay, so this is all because of, whoops. We have a system here in the, this doesn't look current, let me see. Okay, all right, I thought it wasn't current. But we have a system here. You can see we have thunderstorms occurring here. So we'll look at this. This will also get tomorrow, and I'll show you what we're currently looking at. All right. So we're going to look at several maps here. This is oops. This is the total totals. So we go early tomorrow. We'll go to tonight. We see we have the highest probabilities here. So this is like approaching orange. So it's over 50. So there's a chance of severe storms here. And tomorrow morning, and then we go to tomorrow afternoon. So then the greatest risk will be here again and here. See, the numbers are over 50. So this whole area here is in a threat of tornadoes. Then we'll go later into Wednesday. Then the threat goes into the Great Lakes. All right. Now we'll look at the wind shear, the amount of wind shear. Okay. So you can see we have a lot of shear because we have winds coming here from a southeastern direction, and then winds here coming out of southwesterly direction. That could cause some spin as we go through next couple of days. We have a lot of energy here. This is the strong winds here across this area that'll be bringing in that instability. All right, so then next thing we're going to look at, and we don't have it, okay, are the dew points. A lot of moist air. You can see the flows coming right out of the Gulf into this region, and we have dew points approaching the 60s here across parts of the southern plains into the Mississippi Valley and parts of the Midwest. Okay, so this will also add to the severe weather threat. Okay, we'll take a look at that tornado warning. All right, and it's right here. And we have a severe thunderstorm in effect till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central St. Helens and East Central Felicia counties, parishes, that is. And we also have a severe thunderstorm warning here near Clinton. This is until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for St. Helena and East Central Felician parishes. Then we also have one here. This is in Mississippi, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this is for northwestern Marion County, northeastern Lincoln County, southern Lawrence County, and southwestern Jefferson County till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All right. We have other. We think we already covered those. We go to Alabama. We have a severe thunderstorm warning here in effect for until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is in effect for it's in effect for, doesn't say until 6:45. Oh, for Central Lamar counties, and the thunderstorm was located near Vernon, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. So we have some reports here of hail. We have an inch of hail here, Monroe, Mississippi. We also have an inch hail here in Monroe, Mississippi also. Then we will pan out a little bit. Pan in, that is. And we have motorist report having pulled off the highway near Central Grove Road due to quarter-size hail falling. So there's 1 inch hail reported here. This is 4 miles north-northwest of New Wern. Okay, then we go to Alabama also, and we have a flash flood warning that is in effect. We go here, and this is for southwestern Franklin County in northeastern Alabama till 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and at 5:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen, and an additional 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. All right, we'll look at other severe weather here. That's about it. So it's populating here. We'll see if we get any more reports. So this is the area of concern now we're watching. So now we're going to go back to the forecast. We're going to look at the period for March 17th to the 21st. And what we have here is the region builds into the west, and the this changed from earlier. The GFS brings a trough into the east, while the European still has a zone of flow above normal heights. The ensembles have a trough here in the east also. See it? That's the GFS. Here's the European ensembles. All right, so for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here, with the numbers of up to 8 degrees or more above normal in this region, and below normal temperatures here with the numbers of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is up to 40%. Below normal precipitation, much of this area here, probability of occurrence is 35%. We're going to look at the period now for March 22nd to the 26th. The month is almost over. Now, the Miles of Good Agreement bringing a trough into the east. This is the GFS. Here's the European. The GFS has a trough here and here, where the European doesn't. The ensembles also have a trough in the east, except for the European more to the north, but you still see a slight northwest flow here across the northeast. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here with the anomalies of 10 degrees or more above normal in this region here, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this region. Probability of current, that is, anomalies are forecast to be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for a below normal precipitation much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is up to 40%. Okay, we're going to go back and look at the radar. We can continue to cover. We have a severe thunderstorm from Mississippi. And we have a report of 1-inch hail. This is 2 miles southwest of Northfield. And this is in effect for northwestern Warren County, Lincoln, Lawrence, and Jefferson until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All right, we'll keep an eye on this. We see how this goes along. We'll see if we get any updates. I'm getting an update now. We have a report here of 1.5 inch hail size. This is near Felician and Clinton. So far, we can look at some reports maybe here. This is where the 1-inch hail. Okay, let's see. We can get reports here. All right. There's no rain here. Want to get a report somewhere in here, but I don't have any where the tornado warning is in effect. Should be getting an update and right about now. Let's see. It says downloading. Okay, and we'll get another update soon. This hasn't changed, no reports. Keep in mind, this on this side is air coming towards the radar and air going away from the radar. This is radio velocity. Okay, so we should be. We're getting a new update now. This will continue for tonight and tomorrow. So forth. We can go back and look at the maps and see what we get. Okay, these are the lapse rates. So this will go in through tonight and tomorrow, and then the activity lifts to the Great Lakes area. We're getting another update right now. Just hold on a second here. Okay, we have a report here. Um, this is having a thunderstorm. This is northeast of Robert, and I'm trying to see what in Louisiana. Where's that report now? I lost that report. Oh, down here, I think it was. Yeah, near Robert, there's a thunderstorm. Lightning, distant northwest through southeast. This is reporting rain with a thunderstorm. Okay, we just got another update. Nothing has really changed. So I'm going to leave you here. That's it for now. That is the long range weather forecast discussion from March 12th to the 26th. Thank you for stopping by and have a good night.